Hands-on STEM shouldn't be hard to start. Here's how the Makercart makes it simple.
Alright teachers, how many times have you wanted to do more hands-on STEM but got stuck on budget, supplies, or prep time?
Yeah, we've all been there. But what if everything you needed was in one organized, ready-to-go cart? Well, it is.
This is EdMaker's Makercart, a portable, all-in-one makerspace designed for real classrooms like yours.
And today, we're unboxing it to show you exactly what's inside.
Inside, you get 4 complete STEM activities designed for 80 students without extra preparation.
Every activity comes with a step-by-step guide, so whether you're a STEM pro or just getting started, you're covered.
Everything is pre-cut, pre-sorted, and labeled, so you're not digging through messy bins or scrambling for supplies.
And these student-friendly handouts mean that kids can follow along independently, which gives you more time to actually teach.
So what do these activities actually look like? With the Makercart, students don't just learn about STEM, they build, experiment, and create.
From building circuits to designing hydraulic presses, the Makercart brings STEM concepts to life.
And since every activity is aligned to NGSS, ISTE, and Common Core standards, you're meeting learning goals while making lessons more engaging. So, Emily, how much is a Makercart?
So a full Makercart is $3,000. That includes everything, a full guide, the storage, and materials. So if that's for 80 students, that would be...
Wow, it's only $37.50 per student for 4 STEM projects? That's less than a field trip or a textbook.
Yeah, exactly. And here's the best part. Makercarts can qualify for STEM grants and federal or state funding. So schools can actually offset costs or get them fully funded.
Wow. So if you're ready to bring hands-on STEM learning to your classroom without the stress, this is it.
Check out our website at maker.com or contact us today to learn more.
So don't play dice with your students' learning. Choose the Makercart.
Choose the Makercart today.
Make STEM simple, impactful, and ready to roll. Order your Makercart today at edmaker.com. Have questions? We'd love to help. Email us at hello@edmaker.com.